All right, so we just did that first part. So we just landed on eyes. From here, she's gonna make a little sound in the music, and you're gonna move your arms kind of this way, so you're right at an angle, and then you're gonna step on your left and move to your left, so you'll end up facing this to the right. So it's eyes, yeah, and then from here, she does like a da 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 in the music, like she sings it like that. Sorry. And then so your movements, you're gonna step forward while your right arm is pushing forward. So step forward on your right, just do the opposite, and then you're gonna go back to left foot forward, right arm forward. So we're here on eyes, yeah, step forward on your left again, here, and then from here, you're gonna push to your left, kind of how we did this whole thing. You're gonna push to your left, turn, and that's gonna make you turn to the back. So I'll show you what I'm doing in the back, but so say we push to the back, you're gonna take your right foot, it's gonna go back, your left foot is gonna go forward, and then you're gonna turn. So again, I'm doing this forward for you guys, here, right foot back, left foot forward, turn. And while you're turning, you're gonna bring your arms up, because she says strong, so you're gonna be strong. So remember, eyes, left, right, left, right, left, left, right foot back, left foot back, up.